Hi viewers and learners, welcome to Ultra Phoenix Technology. This is our fourth video. In this video, we'll talk about how to create a 2D sketch in CATIA, how to constrain 2D sketch in CATIA, and how to analyze 2D sketch in CATIA. If you are not watched previous video, please watch. I gave link in the below description. Let's move to our topic. So we are in the sketch module. So today's session will draw this sketch and we'll learn how to constrain and how to analyze using sketch analyze in the CATIA tool. So let's draw this sketch in the CATIA. So first we will make geometrical constraint. So I want to make symmetric between this line and this line uh, and this line and this line and this line and this line. So to make symmetric, first select this line and hold control and select other line and select symmetric axis. So I am selecting vertical axis. So go to the geometrical constraint and select symmetric. Similarly, select this line, hold control and select this line and select vertical axis. Go to constraint, geometrical constraint and enable the symmetric. Similarly, this line based on center vertical axis and select the geometrical constraint and select the symmetric. So now we completed the geometrical constraint. Now we move to the dimensional constraint. So how to create the dimension? So these are the dimension given in the drawing: 20, 20, 25, 5, 10 and 50. So let's give the dimensional constraint. So if you click one time, you can use single time only. For example, if I am clicking one time, so you can click only one time only. If you want to again use, again you need to click. So suppose if you want to continuously use the any option while clicking, click the double time continuously. So now you can use continuous. So distance between this and this is 10. So if you want to edit any dimension, just double click and enter your value 10. This is 20 and this is 50 and this is 5. Distance between this and this line is 25 and this is 20. So now I want coincident this line to our horizontal axis. So what we can do? So this is come under geometrical constraint. Select this line and your horizontal, hold control and select the horizontal axis and go to geometrical constraint and select the coincident. So now our sketch is constrained. So you can notice our sketch color is converted from white to green. So it means our sketch is fully constrained or iso constrained. So let's see what are the types of constraints are available. So this option is known as 2D sketch analyze. If you select this option, sketch solve status, so it will give the status of our sketch. So right now our sketch is ISO constrained. So it is ISO constrained, or sometimes people may call fully constrained. So the color of ISO constraint is green. Suppose if I delete any dimension, I am deleting this 20 dimension. So you can notice the green color become white. So now if you select this ISO constraint, this sketch solving status, you can notice my sketch is under constraint. So I need to give the dimension back. So now my sketch is ISO constraint and fully constrained. Suppose this is already I given the length of this line is 20. Again if I give 20 dimension, so you can notice I am over constraining the sketch. The color change from green to magenta. So if you notice in your sketch this type of color, this is known as over constraint. So this is called over constraint. Your sketch should be always ISO constraint or fully constrained. Until recommendation, it should not be under constraint or it should not be over constraint. Suppose I want to see my sketches. If I delete this dimension, I want to know where my sketch is under constraint. So you can easily notice the line is white, so it means the sketch is under constraint. And also you can notice here, so it is under constraint. If you select this sketch analyze, so it will give the status of your sketch. It will give status of your sketch. So these are the 4 elements in sketch is under constraint. So it will indicate in the red color. So see, this line is red, this point is it indicating. So these elements are under constraint. So it will indicate the sketch analyze tool. So I need to give dimension for those 2 line. So now sketch is fully constrained. If you check that option, so it will give all elements are fully constrained. And also this sketch analyze tool will give whether our sketch is open loop or closed loop. So if you go to geometry, you can see the status of my sketch is closed loop. This is simple sketch, so without this tool we can easily identify whether our sketch is open loop or closed loop. Suppose in complex sketch it is difficult to find any overlap is there or any open loop is in the sketch, it is difficult to find out. So that time this tool will help, whether it will give the status whether our sketch is closed loop or open loop. So right now our sketch is closed loop. Suppose if I delete any line, so I am deleting this line. So now my sketch is open loop. So we can see the status, it is under constraint. And when you go to the geometrical status, it will give our sketch is open loop. And also it will indicate where it is open, and it will indicate what are the under constraint elements are available in our sketch. So this is how we can analyze sketch in using 2D analyzer. So these are the 2 options available in the CATIA tool. So I given few exercise in the below description. Please download and practice. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get more update and notification from Ultra Phoenix Technology. Thank you all viewers and learners for watching this video.